Next, Mark is going to show us what he's going to do with the board that he just cut on the table saw. He's going to use a tool called a planer to do what, Mark?
We're going to run the board through the thickness planer because we want all the boards to be the same. So same thickness. And that will also clean up the one side that we're planing. So here we go.
Get ready for the noise. Did you see all that sawdust coming out? And look how beautiful the board is now.
So this is the rough side, and then this is the smooth side. Okay, now we're going to cut this to the right length.
Cool.